Imagine the grace and charm of our beautiful 1930s girl wrapping herself all around you. And follow me to the next destination. Welcome to the second destination of 98 Blackstone Road, Silkstone, designed to embrace your family and take everything down 5 notches. From your in-ground pool, double Bali hut, private spa, fully equipped kitchen and a surprise pizza oven, you are home. And this is where this address will take you to 2 destinations and change your life. Make that one call and all this is yours.
We've absolutely loved living here and we hope you enjoy it as much as we have.